We're gonna start now. So if you missed my introduction earlier, welcome to Number Sense Basics Open House. And I'm Catherine Liu, who I'm the teacher of the Number Sense classes at Momentum for both basics and intermediate. And can y'all please turn on your cameras now so I can see y'all and then we can interact and stuff. This is me. I'm Catherine Liu, and I've been doing contest math since I was in fourth grade. I've done a lot of competitions. Yeah. And also I like to swim and read. Okay, that's nice. Right now we're doing an open house for the class Number Sense Basics, which is the introduction to number sense. If y'all wanted to start doing math contests, this is the very best way to start because it teaches you the most basic tricks so that you can do math faster. Because the very first thing you need to learn, more than solving problems, is how to finish on time, And maybe if you like this class, you can do intermediate as well. In this class, like I said, it's 12 weeks, and you're going to be learning some basic tricks so that you can multiply really fast and do things in your head, and also some math things like sets, conversions, those are super cool. Something that you're gonna have to do in any class is memorize some things, but it actually ends up being super cool because what if someone wanted 23 times 23? Maybe you'd have to write it all out, but since you took this class, you'd immediately know that it's 529. You don't have to think about it, you just know. That's what makes, oh, I see Nathan knows that too. Okay, yeah, that's what makes it really good. Number sense is pretty much the only contest that you can do from elementary to high school. In elementary, maybe y'all have heard of mathleague.org or TMSCA, but TMSCA goes through middle school and high school, and UIL is something that I do as a high schooler, with my school. If y'all want, you can put your grades in the chat just so I can see how old you are. Y'all are probably all oh, sixth grade. Oh, sixth grade. Whoa. It's good if you know tricks. Maybe you can sign up for intermediate then. And don't be scared by this. In this class, you're gonna have homework, right? It says 2 hours a week, but that's the goal, is to not take 2 hours a week. The goal is to be so good that you can just do every single question in maybe 5 seconds. So you might see this 103 times 114. Well, then you just automatically know that it's 11742. You don't have to grind it out, While it might take you this long at first, the goal is to be able to do 80 questions in 10 minutes. That's the structure of the average number sense test. If you didn't hear me, that's 80 questions in 10 minutes. Okay, that sounds really fun, right? So we're going to hold this open house just like if I was teaching a class, right? So in every class, I usually teach 2 topics, and then we're gonna go through a bunch of practice problems. So let's go. Here's the most basic thing that you're going to learn in number sense, which is multiplying 2 by 2 numbers in your head. It's called FOIL, but we're gonna do it backwards, so it's actually gonna end up as lie off. Okay, maybe y'all have heard of this, but basically you can multiply any two-digit numbers together in your head. There's usually tricks for specific numbers. You'll learn a trick for 12 eventually, but if you forget it, this will always work. So how do we do this? We're gonna break down this acronym. So the L means last. So L is last, and then I and O are inner and outer. F is first. So what this means is each number, y'all see that it has 2 digits, right? So last says that we have to do the last digits first, which are 3 and 2. And the 3 and the 2, that gives us 6. Y'all see that 6? And then we're gonna do the inner numbers, which are the ones on the inside, 3 and 1. We're gonna multiply them together and get 3, because 3 times 1 is 3. And then we're also gonna do outer. 2 and 2. So that's going to give us 4 because 2 times 2 is 4. And then we're going to add those two together, the inner and the outer that we found to get 7. So now we're going to write down a 7. Okay, and finally, F is first. So we have the first numbers, the 2 and the 1, and multiply them together. 2 times 1 is 2. So we have a 2 here. We got the 6, and then we got a 7, and then we got a 2. So what is our answer? 276. It's just that easy. Did y'all like that? Was it fun? Was it good? Lie off is last, inner, outer, first. Because we multiply the last, then we multiply inner and outer, and then we do first. I hope y'all understood this. If not, it's okay. Like you can, during class, you can always like DM me questions and then I'll like always answer them. So like, don't worry if you don't understand. So let's like try practicing this. I'll show this one for you. Y'all can do it with me in the chat. Okay. The first thing we do is last. So what's the last? Oh my God, good job. Max score, 5 times 1. 5 and 1. So we write 5 times 1 is 5. Don't forget that it's always multiplication. Whoa, someone has the answer already? Okay. And then we have inner and outer to multiply the inner two, which are the 5 and the 3. 5 times 3 is 15. And then the outer is 4 times 1 is 4. And we have to add these together because inner and outer go together. So together we get 19. But we're only allowed to write one digit at a time, okay? And I'm sure y'all have all heard of carrying when you're like doing basic addition, right? We're going to write down the 9 and carry the 1, okay? And then we're going to do the first. So 4 times 3. 4 times 3, because those are the first. And that gives us 12. But we also carried that 1 over there, you'll see. So 4 times 3 equals 12. And then plus that extra 1 is 13. And since there's nothing in front, we can just write the whole 13 now. So we just get 1395. And I see a lot of y'all answered it. Thank you for DMing me the answer and not like putting it in public. I mean, maybe someone did, but for future reference, it's always better to DM me so I can just verify it for you and you don't have to spoil it. It's okay. It's okay. You didn't know. Yeah, so that makes sense to everyone, right? Last, inner, outer, first. What did we get again? 1395. Hopefully that's right. We can try this one. You guys can try this like by yourself while I answer questions. Yeah, all of y'all are getting it. Good job. Everyone who submitted so far is right. Okay, to anyone who's like DMing me their answers, yeah, good job. This is exactly like how we'd go through class. And I'd prefer like if everyone participated. So don't be afraid. Even if like you have no idea, just ask. Okay, so I'll solve this one now. 31 times 62. So our amazing acronym LIOF says last first. Okay, so 1 times 2, that's 2. And everyone got that too. Okay, and then inner, so 1 times 6. 1 times 6 is 6. And then outer, so 3 times 2, that's also 6. That's crazy. We can only write down one digit. So we can only write down one digit. So write down the 2 and then carry the 1. And then first, so 3 times 6 is 18. So 18 and then that extra 1 and carried. So now it's 19. And a lot of y'all got this. Good job. It's okay if you didn't though, because we're like all still learning, you know? So we're just going to look at this acronym, right? FOIL, or FOIL backwards is LIOF. Each of these 2-digit numbers, they have a first, which is what the F stands for. They have a first digit and they have a last digit, which is what the L stands for. And in this multiplication, there's an inner digits and there's outer digits. And those are what the I and the O stand for. So we are going to go in this order so that we can properly like do all the multiplication. Oh, and y'all are getting answers, although they don't match yet. Okay. So according to our acronym, LIOF, we say last. We do last. So we're gonna multiply the last digits, 4 and 3. Okay, now y'all are getting it. Thank you for DIing me again. So 4 and 3, because those are the last digits, and then 4 times 3 is 12. But as you know, we can only write one digit down. So we write the 2 and carry the 1. Next, because we have inner and outer, we're gonna do inner and outer. So these are special because we're gonna add them together instead of, we have 4 times 7 as the inner. And that's gonna give 28. And we also have 6 times 3 as the outer. And that's gonna give 18. So together we have 46, I hope. I hope I added that right. Yeah, so 46. And then we also carried this 1 over here. That gives us 47. But we have to write one digit. So we write down the 7 and then carry the 4. And now we have first, because first. So 6 times 7, this gives us 42. So 42 plus this extra 4 that we carried. So now it's 46. And this is our answer. Hopefully that made sense. And thank you for like asking for clarifications when you were confused. That's really good. And good job to everyone who figured this out before I explained it. I think there's 2 more. I'll just let y'all try this without explaining it. Actually, let's race. Who wants to try to solve it before me? Okay, tell me your answer then. Ooh, someone has an answer and I've only written a 4. I don't know if it's right though. Now there's like wait, I think everyone's answer is different so far. That's crazy. No, just kidding. Andy, the problem is this one, number 4. Can you see my screen? Oh wow. Okay. Everyone's beating me. I've literally only written a 4. You all need to calm down. Okay. Okay, I have the 4. And then 2 times 8 is 16. 7 times 6 is 42, 58, 59, 59, and then with the 5. 6 times 8 is 48, plus 5 is 53. Oh, how many of y'all got 5, 3, 9, 4? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Like, wow, like 7 people. Good job. Okay. Yeah, we were all right. Okay, last one. Go. No one's gotten this yet. Okay, I'm gonna win this time. Watch. That never happened, right? I got the right answer all along. Yeah, okay, good job to everyone who got it. And if you're confused, like just be sure to ask me. Yeah, good job. Okay. Now let's do something more fun. Y'all might have seen this. Let's play Kahoot. Come on. So everyone go to kahoot.it. I'm assuming y'all like know how Kahoot works. And we're just gonna practice this, okay? Let me stop sharing real fast. I think usually I play like the other ones with my students, but since this is like open house, we're just gonna do normal. And there's the game pin. Y'all can see, right? We will win. Oh my god. Maybe put on more clothes next time, please. I think this is enough to start with. Oh yeah. Oh, whoa, there's 23 people. Okay. So the thing is, during class, I usually encourage you to remain muted, but during Kahoots, y'all are allowed to like talk if you're not like being crazy. And also don't spoil. You can like be like, oh my god, this is so hard. I'm so scared though. There's already answers. How? Maybe you'll know other tricks. Yeah, yeah, that's what I was thinking. Dang, y'all are good. Okay, so just like as my final review of how to do this, we're going to do 3 times 6 is 8, and then carry the 1. 3 times 2 is 6. 1 times 6 is 6, so 12. And then plus the extra 1 is 13. Oh, sorry. And then we have the extra 1 in carry, and then 1 times 2 is 2. Yeah, people might be using calculators, but like there's no honor of winning with a calculator. So if they are, then shame on them. It doesn't matter if they win. Maybe you'll want more music. Oh, you mistyped. Oh my god, Kevin is vibing with me. Thank you, Kevin. Oh, okay. Yeah. Okay, just regular foil, you know? There's a trick for multiplying by 12, of course. And there was a trick for the last one. We will win. This one, I think instead of doing foil, you should just like multiply it, you know? 16 times 30. Oh, I'm not sure if y'all have memorized this yet. And then 16 times 9. I think it's easier that way. Whoa, everyone answered in 24 seconds. Y'all are so good. Maybe none of y'all need this class and y'all can just all go to intermediate. Yeah, this one is more difficult. I don't know if there's any tricks. Okay. I mean, I wrote the answer there. Yeah, I'm like trying to race y'all, you know? Ooh, this one, you'll definitely learn a trick for this one. And so if you didn't know, 14 squared is 196. So maybe you'll notice something. It's 195, and then 14 squared is 196, and then those are both one away from 14. Isn't that like so sus? Don't you just wonder what's happening in your life? Whoa, King Monk is just too good. Oh, there's a pretty good trick like this, I think. With 2 seconds left. Okay. How many questions are there? Okay, I feel like, do you want to finish the Kahoot? We can go to like question 10 or something. Because we still have a whole nother topic to learn. One more question. Does anyone else have an input? Oh no, what happened? Oh, it's the same thing as before. I have a hint. 18 squared is 323. And based on what happened last time, can you like guess an answer for this? Oh, maybe the guessing didn't go well. But it's always when they're one away from something, it's always one less than that number squared. 323, 324. Okay. I think the next question is gonna be the very last one. Okay. And then we'll play Kahoot again. Wow, King Monk still leading. Banana King. Okay, good old foil. Let's go. Nice. Okay. Now let's see who won. Okay, that's kind of not a surprise. So good job, King Monk. And then Banana King Andy. And then Melody, who's not a monkey. That's crazy, Melody. Good job for winning without being a monkey. And then there's salt, table salt, and noodles. Okay. Okay, yeah. And now let's get back to the learning, because learning is fun too, right? Okay. Oh, there's gonna be another Kahoot for this one, obviously. You can't do it without Kahoots. So now we're gonna learn a trick for how to multiply two numbers that are just below 100, like two numbers in the 90s. Oh, look at that straight line though. Okay. So say we have 97 and 94. Then we're going to look at how far each of them are from 100. This one is 100 minus 3. And then this one is 100 minus 6. Okay, so we're just gonna remember that minus 3, okay? And then this minus 6. So what we're going to do, first, we'll find those two things and then multiply them together. So 3 times 6, so that's 18. So we'll just write down an 18 because that's so easy. 3 times 6 is 18. And then we're gonna take one of them and subtract how far the other one is from 100. So let's say we start with 94. And then we're going to subtract another 3. So 94 minus 3. And that's 91. So we're just going to write a 91 in front of the 18. And then this is going to be our answer. Okay. So we didn't have to do the 94 minus 3. You could have done 97 minus 6. And that's also 91. Or since maybe y'all really liked the 3 and the 6, y'all can just do 100 minus 3 minus 6 to get 91. Regardless, the answer is always take the differences, multiply them to get the end, and then add them, subtract from 100 to get the beginning. And here we can write down 2 digits. So this is why it's better than FOIL. There's like less carrying that we need to do. There usually, yeah, there won't be any carrying at all, in fact. Okay. So hopefully that makes sense to everyone. Be sure to like ask if you are confused. And look, 91:18, just like I told you, I'm not a liar. Okay. So just like last time, here I have some practice problems and I'll solve the first one for y'all. But you can DM me your answer if you think you understand already. So this is 100 minus 5. Whoa, that was fast. This is 100 minus 4. Remember, you have to subtract. Okay. So 5 times 4, we're gonna write down the 20. And then 95 minus another 4. 95 minus 4, that's 91. So we're gonna write down 91. And our answer is okay. Our answer is 9120. I think this is much easier than the first one we did. If you can understand the first one, you can understand this. And it's okay if like you accidentally send to everyone, just try not to do it again. Please direct message me instead of sending to everyone. Okay. So hopefully this demonstration made sense as well. And let's prove that we got the right answer. Oh my god, look, it's right. Okay. Next one. This is -2. And this is -6. I don't know who King Monkey is. So -2 times -6, or 2 times 6, that's just 12. And then 100 minus 8, because 8 is 6 plus 2. Then that's 92. So the answer to this one is 9212. And yeah, good job to everyone who got it right. And look, I got it right too. Good job to me. Okay. This is the last one that I'll explain. So something that you need to know is you always have to write 2 digits. If your answer, if any part of your answer doesn't have 2 digits, then you're gonna fill in a 0 in front to make it 2. So here, this is 100 minus 1, and this is 100 minus 3. So 1 times 3 is 3, but we need 2 digits. So we're going to write 0, 3 at the back. And then this is 100 minus 4 because 1 plus 3 is 4. So that's 96. So our answer is 9603. Yeah, good job if you got that. Okay, and last two. Let's see who can figure this out without me helping them. Okay, I'll help you a little. This is 100 minus 2. This is 100 minus 7. Yeah, whoa, everyone's gotten it right. Yay, yay. Hmm. Hmm. Oh, okay. Okay. I mean, you didn't have to explain it to everyone.
Okay, me?
Sorry. Wait. Max, remember we're taking the difference from 100, not the last digit. So here we're gonna do 8 times 3. I mean, not 8 times 3. Sorry. We're gonna do 2 times 7 is 14. And then no, not yet. Don't worry. And then
Oh,
yeah.
okay.
Yeah. And then 100 minus the sum of these, which is 9. So 100 minus 9 is 9114. And yeah, don't worry. That's just like, now. And a lot of people got it. So good job to you too. Okay, very last one. Ooh, this one is scary because you're gonna have to subtract past 90. Whoa, someone got it already. Whoa, okay, and then 3 people got it in like 1 second. Y'all are a bit creepy, honestly. Okay, everyone's getting it. I don't even need to explain. But minus 8 and minus 9, so 72. And then 100 minus 17 is 83. And that's our answer. See. Look, it's 8372, just like all of y'all said. Okay, and now we can play a Kahoot again. Okay. Oh, we're still on this line. Okay, how do I get out of this. Okay, we can do this one now. Oh, it's loading. Okay, we can wait. By the way, this one is super fun. Okay. I haven't tried those two, but y'all should join so we can, y'all should sign up for the class so we can play Submarine Squad together. Izzy, Scuba, Unicorn. Oh, King Monk is not a King Monk. This is terrible. Oh, King Monk is a King Monk. Everything is good again. Nathan, why do you choose to be table salt? Where did the sound go? I think I broke my Kahoot. Anyway, let's go. It's not vibey anymore. Yeah, the code will be at the bottom, y'all know. Okay, let's go. You can do these really fast, right? I believe in y'all. -7, -4. Good job. Oh, it's okay if you get it wrong. Whoa, Izzy, Knuckle, good job. King Monk, you're good too. -8, -8. I mean, maybe, maybe some people are gonna get it wrong. They might make a typo or something. Max was too boring. We might have to stop after a few questions because I need to talk to y'all. we don't know. Like, you can't type it into a calculator that fast, can you? Oh, King Monk. Maybe someone is just really experienced with these questions. Interesting. Why are there so many kings? Are any of the queens gonna come out and save us? Like Jennifer, your crown. Yay. That's like almost everyone. Okay, I think we're gonna do 2 more questions. Y'all better get them right. Yeah, I mean, remembering squares is a good thing, but I don't think I want y'all to remember up to 93, because that would be a little bit scary. There's definitely a trick for this. You can just, oh, this is the last question, by the way. 9,700 minus 97. Yeah, what Maxwell said too works too, but I don't suppose y'all like have 98 still memorized. Oh, why did so few get it? Did I explain something wrong? Oh, okay. Yeah, that was the last question. So, King Monk won again, but this time it was so close. 8 points. Okay. And then there's Melody and King Bear and Sophie. Good job, y'all. Okay. Okay, so oops, too far. Yeah, I think that is the end. So thank you all for coming to open house. Y'all can like stay after and ask me questions if you want to know more about the class. And I'd love to have y'all in my class, like basics or intermediate if you thought you already knew all these. Bye, Max.